All right, so part 3. It wants us to identify the inverse of a given matrix and verify the matrices are inverses. Okay, it's gonna go real fast, real quick. How do you verify? You just multiply them. Okay, to verify whether two matrices are inverses of each other, you multiply them, and if they equal the identity matrix, then they are true. If they don't, then it is false. That's the conclusion there. How do you know if they're inverses? You multiply them together. Whether you multiply them by hand or multiply them using matrix calculator on decimals or your 84 is up to you. But you verify by multiplying. And if they don't equal the identity matrix 1001, then guess what? They're not. Was that terrible? I know you doubted me. So what we're gonna do is we were gonna have you practice, okay? Finding the inverses. So at this point, just finding the inverse. Can I quickly find the inverse here?
Yes.
Yes, I gotta first find the determinant. How do I find the determinant? So we have 15 minus 4, which is what? 11. So I know that I'm dividing everything by 11. So 3 over 11, 4 over 11, 1 over 11, and 5 over 11. How did I know to do that? Because what do you do to find the inverse? You switch. You switch on the first diagonal, right? And then you change signs on the second diagonal. And you divide everything by the determinant. Yes? And again, here we go. So to find the inverse of this one, find my determinant. That's 4 minus 6, which equals? Oh, okay, cool. So we're going to switch on the first diagonal. So we now have 4 over -2. And we have 1 over -2. We're going to change signs on the second diagonal. So we have -2 divided by -2. And we have -3 divided by -2. Okay? If this can be simplified, you need to simplify. Are there things that can be simplified?
Yep.
Yes. So we have -2 and a +1. We have +3/2 and -1/2. Can you find the inverse? I feel like y'all are geniuses and you can do this.
I feel like I have absolutely no idea what's going on. This is the inverse?
Yep.
Oh.
And then you just go through and verify. Okay? The answers are right here.
Oh, verifying is just multiplying the inverse of the
Original.
okay.
And they should equal the what?
The
1001, the identity.
Yeah, that's. I have to go get the rest of the notes that I'm missing over the outline.
Okay. All right. So the last part is practice 2. Here, it's talking about rotating and to determine the inverse transformation. So when we do this, we'll go through it and find it. Here are the answers to that.
You know what?
And now you should be good to finish your assignment.